Hello class, my name is Jeremiah Cletus Edem, the founder of BrainBox Lesson Successor Academy. Please go to your search box on Facebook and search us on BrainBox Lesson Successor Academy. You're going to see our lesson official page. Please like and follow our page immediately to be seeing our posts, our videos that will help you in your own career. You can also follow me on my personal Facebook page, my official Facebook page on Jeremiah Cletus Edem. You're going to see my recent posts there. Just like and follow, and don't forget to share to your friends. Share to your friends, share to groups, so that they'll also benefit from what you are learning. And today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics as usual. We are going to continue. We are going to work on a quadratic equation using completing the square method. Please follow me. So we are considering completing the square method to solve this quadratic equation. It says solve x squared plus 12x minus 13 equals 0 using completing the square method. Now the first thing to do is to bring down the equation. Let's bring down the equation, the quadratic equation x squared plus 12x minus 13 equals to 0. Are you following? So the next thing to do is to take minus 13 to cross the equal sign to become positive. So we have x squared plus 12x equals to, when minus 13 cross the equal sign, it becomes what? 13, or plus 13 is all the same. So the next thing to do is to change x squared plus 12x to its standard form. If we want to change it to its standard form, we have x plus 12 divided by 2 all squared. Are you seeing? Now we have changed it to standard form. So we say equals to 13. And the next thing to do is to add 12 divided by 2 all squared to the right hand side, to this plus 13 or 13. So we have plus 12 divided by 2 all squared. Now we have x plus 12 divided by 2 is what? 6. Don't forget your square. All squared equals to 13 plus 12 divided by 2 is what? 6. We have 6. Then what? Our square. So we have x plus 6 square equals to what? 13 plus 6 square means what? 6 times 6. It means what? 6 times 6, right? So we have x plus 6 squared equals to 13 plus 6 times 6 is what? 36. Are you following? So we have x plus 6 squared equals to 13 plus 36 is what? It is 49. 36 plus 13, or 13 plus 36 is what? Is 49, right? Yes, so we have x plus 6 equals to, now this square will turn to square root of what? 49, right? That is usual in mathematics. So we have the square root of what? Of 49. We have x plus 6 equals to, the square root of 49 is what? Is 7. Are you following? The square root of 49 is 7. So the square root of 49 is what? 7. So there's something we left here. When this one turns to square root in quadratic equation, we need to, it's supposed to be plus or minus here. Plus or minus the square root of what? Of 49, right? From here, this square turn to what? This square turn to what? The square root of 49. So since we are considering quadratic equation, we must have it in two values, which is what? Plus or minus. So I've put it here. So the square root of 49 is what? Is 7. So we bring down what? Plus or minus. So x equals to plus or minus 7. This one will turn, it will cross the equal sign and become what? Negative minus 6. So either x equals to, okay, look at what I'm going to do here. It's either x equals to plus this plus here plus 7 minus 6, or x equals to minus this negative minus 7 minus 6. Are you following? So from here we have what? X equals to 7 minus 6 is what? 1, or x equals to minus 7 minus 6 is what? Minus 13. So the root of the equation of the quadratic equation is what? Is x equals to 1 or x equals to minus 13. So this is the root of the equation, and we found it using what? Completing the square method. So let's consider the second question. It says solve x squared plus 20x plus 19 equals to 0 using completing the square method, and hence find its root and the factors of the what? Of the quadratic equation, full stop. Now solution. The first thing to do is to do what? Bring down the quadratic equation. X squared plus 20x plus 19 equals 0. What next? We have x squared plus 20x equal to minus, plus 19 will cross the equal sign, become what? Minus 19. Are you following? So this is it. The next step is to turn x squared plus 20x to its what? Standard form. We have x plus 20 divided by 2. You're just going to be dividing it by 2. Since you want to turn it to what? Its standard form, especially since x squared coefficient is what? Is 1. So we'll say what? 20 divided by 2 all squared equals to minus 19. So we are going to add 20 divided by 2 all squared to the right hand side, to this minus 19. We have what? Plus 20 divided by 2 all squared. So we have x plus 20 divided by 2 is what? 10, right? So all what? Squared equals to minus 19. From here we bring our minus 19 down, plus 20 divided by 2 is what? Is 10 all squared. So we have x plus 10 squared equals to minus 19 plus, in the other page we had 10 squared, and 10 squared means what? 10 times 10, right? That squared means that 10 appear what? Twice, multiply itself twice. So we have what? X plus 10 squared equals to minus 19 plus 10 times 10 is what? 100. So we have what? We have x plus 10 all squared equals to minus 19 plus 100 is the same thing as what? As 100 minus 19. Are you following? So we have x plus 10 squared equals to 100 minus 19 is what? 100 minus 19 is 81. Are you following? So we have x plus 10 square. Okay, no need of writing the square. This square will do what? Turn to the square root of 81, and it will what? Have plus or minus, since we are dealing with quadratic equation, and quadratic equation must have two values. Quadratic equation must have what? Two values. So we have what? Equals to the square root of 81 plus or minus the square root of what? Of 81. So we have x plus 10 equals to plus or minus. The square root of 81 is what? 9. The square root of 81 is 9. So from here we have x plus 10 equals to plus 9 or x plus 10 equals to minus 9. Are you following? So either we have plus 9 or what? Minus 9. That's what this means. So we have x plus, okay, x equals to, rather, x equals to, here we have what? Plus 9, right? We have plus 9. And this plus 10 will cross the equal sign, become what? Minus 10. So we have what? Minus 10, or from here we have what? X equals to minus 9, right? Minus 9. Plus 10 will cross the equal sign, become what? Minus 10. So we have minus 10. Are you following? So from here we have what? X. From here we have either from here we have either x. 9 minus 10 is what? Plus 9 minus 10 is what? Minus 1, right? From here. So we have either x equals to minus 1 or x equal to minus 9 minus 10 is what? Minus 19. So x equals to minus 1 or s equals to minus 19. That's the root of the quadratic equation.